And a huge shooting star was seen Friday from New York to Georgia. And as some of you said on our Facebook page, it was quite a sight. A camera in Greenwood, Indiana caught the meteor, and as you can see, it lit up the night sky. A similar meteor also made an appearance Saturday night in the southern U.S. The American Meteor Society says just keeps track of sightings, and they say shooting stars are seen more frequently around this time of year.
First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Yeah, and it's even better if you don't have clouds obscuring the sky so you can actually see the meteor showers. But if you get that chance and lucky enough to see that, it's still possible you may see some about this time of the morning, just before sunrise or very late at night. Just have to keep watch. As we do take a look outside this morning, live Doppler radar is showing things pretty quiet here, but we have seen a couple of little isolated showers. There was one right along US 62 in between, well, right about Caneyville, in between Ohio County and Grayson County. It's beginning to fade away. There are some sprinkles around southern Kentucky this morning, too light for the radar to detect, but they're out there this morning. 62 degrees, the current temperature reading right now in Bowling Green. Much has improved in the air quality over the course of the weekend with that little bit of rain that helped bring the pollen count down into the low category, but it's still ragweed, grass, and elm that are the three culprits here. Ozone is good, molds are low, UV index running moderate today as we're still getting the shorter days now, little different sun angle. In fact, be careful in the afternoons, especially when the drive home happens. That sun can be directly in your eyes because the sun is now setting at a lower angle and it's right in your face, and that can really cause some driving problems. And I see people trying to cover their eyes and fold down the little shades, if you will, or put on some sunshades, and that should help you a little bit. 0.03 of an inch of rain this morning in Hartford and Greenville, 1/100th there in Hopkinsville, and up in Hardinsburg. No other reports of measurable rainfall at the Mesonet sites here this morning. Temperatures starting out upper 50s down across the Lake Cumberland area, and then everybody else in the low 60s across southern Kentucky this morning. Here is a live view from our AAA Systems weather cam on Scottsville Road in front of the Bowling Green Airport. And it's mainly cloudy, 62 degrees now, the light east wind, 95% humidity, and the barometer is falling. We check a few of our weather cams. We go to Glasgow, Barron County, 62 degrees and mainly cloudy there this morning. Litchfield, you're at 62 degrees. You're seeing a little bit of shower activity there in Grayson County as you head out 62. Russellville is at 62 degrees this morning under a mainly cloudy sky there in Logan County. Look at that cooler 54 St. Louis. Even cooler 49 degrees up in Peoria, Illinois at this hour as we're getting a shot of somewhat cooler air that's starting to move in over the upper Ohio Valley and the southern Great Lakes, while we're still kind of moderately seasonable for this time of the year in the 62 at the airport, which is the exact same temperature that we were at 6 o'clock yesterday. Some of the temperatures north of us, though, running a little bit cooler. Leftover showers in wake of that front that just kind of fell apart. It's actually being absorbed by a big ridge of high pressure that's out to the east of us. And this center of high pressure is going to sit here and just kind of wobble back and forth over the Virginias and the Carolinas over the next couple of days. But around it, there's enough low-level moisture to keep some cloud cover with us today. So it will be a mostly cloudy day, partly cloudy tonight, and a partly cloudy day for tomorrow. Even though we'll see sun, there will be some cloud cover at times, but generally dry here for the next couple of days until we get into Wednesday evening and into early Thursday. We'll begin to see some showers popping up here, and then way off to the northwest of us, that is the next big cold front that is going to come in for the weekend and really make some significant changes, as you'll see. Mostly cloudy today, a chance of an isolated shower, sprinkles 76. Mostly cloudy, some patchy fog tonight, a low of 60. And here we go, 81 tomorrow, 82 Wednesday. And then as the big roller coaster gets underway on Thursday, that's the yard sale that goes around the Cordell Hall Highway and down toward Temple Hill and Freedom, Kentucky, down 63 and back around 90. That's Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And unfortunately, it's going to be a bit unsettled because of that next front. Highs will be in the 80s, dropping into the 70s Saturday. But look at that high Sunday, 67.